Hello everyone, good evening. So today my topic is there is always tomorrow and it gets better. Tomorrow means new day, new opportunity, new thing to learn and new situation. So, if you are doing a thing or a work, and if you cannot be able to do it in proper way, in a limited time, so don't worry about that because there is another opportunity in your life. Always think that in next term, you can be able to succeed in life. Actually, it is true. And if you think that you cannot do it, so there is no chance to get success in life. Okay, so always try in proper way, and it always gets better because new opportunity always gets better because when you do the thing again in a new preparation, then you have lots of idea. You have a lots of idea by your previous preparation, and by your previous mistake you also you cannot do it again, you cannot repeat it. So for this you do the work so good, so better actually. If you are in a bad situation and you face it for a long time, and you think that it will not remove in your life, so you are wrong because change is a law of nature. Okay, change is a law of nature, so it will change one day, one moment, it will turn into a happy moment. So always think positive. If you think positive, then it will happen positive with you. So always think positive. And by your thinking, when you face the situation bravely and when you positively overcome the situation, then happiness will come in your life. So this is the thing, this is the meaning of the topic, that when you do that thing, when you are facing the bad situation, when you are some trouble, then don't worry about that, don't regret that it will happen with you only. Just think that how to overcome, just think that how to do it again, removing all the mistake. By this thinking, by doing all the thing, then you will get the better, you will get the best thing actually. So thank you, that's